Hello. So one of my favourite models, this Lima Class 37 diesel locomotive, which I really do like, it's very nicely detailed, it'll no longer run on my new digital layout unless I convert it. And I looked into it and I could add just a little decoder, but I wanted sound, lights, all this kind of things. It was all going to add up, so I've actually ordered myself a replacement. Sorry, Lima. This is from Rails of Sheffield and it's just come today. Let's have a little look. This is the Bachmann DCC sound fitted Class 37. It's very smart indeed, and I've made a little longer video than usual because it really does sound that good, so please stick around. Okay, so side by side comparison, they are obviously the same size, they're based on the same model, slightly different running numbers, but yeah, same era. You can see the new Bachmann is exquisitely detailed, even just looking through the roof fans. You see the new one here, much more detailed. So let's give her a run, see what happens.